Washing time at 11 p.m.
Aloha is 12.
No has 12, little.
No, it's
11:30
got- it's got way
p.m.
too many. There's rooms right beside the laundry.
Okay. Where's the laundry, Liro?
We got to go down one.
Down? Okay, just down the road.
Why?
Why?
Why? Tell me why.
Why, Delilah? Oh, deck 14. Okay, good. Here now in the laundry. Couscous, piga.